In this lecture, we will review The Social Fabric of the Workplace, an article by NeuroLaunch in 2026. No job happens in isolation, and the social layer of work, group dynamics, leadership style, communication norms, shapes outcomes as much as any individual's skill set. A brilliant team with poor communication patterns will consistently underperform a merely competent team that communicates well. Leadership style filters down into almost everything. A manager who treats feedback as a growth tool builds a psychologically safer team than one who treats it as a scorecard, and that safety directly affects whether people speak up about problems before they escalate. The psychological processes underlying teamwork and collaboration depend heavily on this kind of trust infrastructure being in place before conflict ever shows up. Conflict itself isn't the danger sign people assume it is. Unaddressed conflict is. Teams that surface disagreement early and resolve it directly tend to outperform teams that avoid conflict altogether, because avoidance just delays the disruption and usually makes it bigger. Now let us review the organizational ecosystem. Zoom out from individual teams and you get organizational culture, the collective set of norms, values, and unwritten rules that shape behavior at scale. Culture doesn't show up in the employee handbook. It shows up in what gets rewarded, what gets ignored, and what gets punished when nobody's officially watching. Employee engagement sits downstream of this culture, and it's more fragile than most leadership teams assume. The psychological factors that drive employee behavior and engagement include a sense of purpose, perceived fairness, and whether effort actually connects to recognition. Break any of those links consistently enough, and engagement collapses. Even in high-paying jobs, performance management done well works like a mirror, not a hammer. Feedback that focuses narrowly on deficits tends to produce defensiveness rather than growth, while feedback tied to specific achievable next steps tends to actually change behavior. This is one of the more consistently replicated findings in the field, and one of the most consistently ignored in actual annual review cycles.